years old students and we are studying 10th grade.
We come from a school in the coast of the Basque Country in Guecho that is called San Nicolás y Castola.
It is a small school for our hometown. Since 1963, our school has been working with the purpose to promoting the Basque language, Euskera.
This school was built in the 60s thanks to the vision and effort of our local parents.
These parents wanted their children to grow up and live their own culture.
The project started with just one class and 12 classmates and has been developing throughout the years.
Nowadays we are 900 students in total.
There are 2 buildings in our school. One of them is for children from 1 to 4 years old, and the other one is for people from 4 to 16.
Besides, there are 3 classes in each level, with around 25 classmates.
It's really amazing to be part of San Nicolás y Castola and enjoy the opportunity of living these experiences.
We are looking forward to sharing our values of respect to our uniqueness in the difference.